Today we're gonna be reviewing a cordless air compression leg massager. Here's what's in the box. Comes in a nice bag, 2 legs compressors, a remote so you control both of them, manual, and a card, charging brick, and a cable. USB to USB-C. That's it. You can see the left leg has a very nice, well-made hose connector. See it there. Tells you which way it goes. It's a nice zipper. That's waterproof material. Both. It's for your thigh, for your legs, and for your feet. So it's the same on the other leg. That's the right there. Cable and the zipper. They're very well made. Air chambers in here, and in your foot. So to use them, you plug them in the control, which is rechargeable, so no cables at all. You can take this to the games. After the game, you can sit, relax while you wait for your next game if you're playing multiple games. It has 3 settings: combination, circulation, and sequence. So those are the 3 modes. Sequence and circulation, it targets different types of muscles in your legs, and then combination will combine both in a massage pattern. Here you can change the time, so from 10 to 30 minutes right here. You can see it moving, and then here is the pressure that you want. So you start at 70 until I think you go up to 130, 140. 150. So 150 will be super tight, super tight on your legs, and 80 will be less tight, but you still feel it. First time I used it for like 45 minutes because I kept doing 30, and then I did 15 minutes more. It felt great. It helps you relax if you has a long day at work, or you're standing all the time, or if you work out really hard your legs. This is a great thing to have. Come home, put it on. No cables. You just charge it. Take it with you everywhere you go. If you're an athlete, you play, especially like sport that requires you to be explosive with your legs, like baseball, softball, football, basketball. Then you can recover with these leg massager. Again, these are the only 2 cables. It's gonna go here. No, you can take it with you everywhere. Just have the charge, and you will be all set. If you're looking for an air compression massager for your legs, I definitely recommend this one. It's great price, very well made. So I hope this video helped you make your decision, and thank you for watching. Here we have the air compression massagers. You can see we have them on. Got 7 minutes left at 80 power. It's doing both modes. Just put on your thighs, otherwise to your feet, and then run them for 30 minutes. You say you could do it for twice a day for up to 30 minutes or longer if you need them. So definitely recommend it.